Hi everyone! Welcome to this channel. Are you looking for an easy way to copy your Discord profile link and share it with your friends or family? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple method to do just that. Whether you're using iOS or Android, this process works the same way. Just follow along carefully so you don't miss any steps. First, open the Discord application on your device. Once you're in, head to your profile page by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this page, look at the top right corner. You'll see a settings icon. Tap on it, and it will take you to your account settings. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Under this, you'll see an option called Advanced. Tap on Advanced and make sure Developer Mode is turned on. This step is crucial because, without it, you won't be able to copy your user ID. Once that's done, go back to your profile page by tapping the back arrow. At the bottom of your profile page, you'll see three main tabs: Home, Notifications, and You. Select the Home tab, and it will lead you to the page where you see all your conversations. Open one of the conversations you've had with someone, and then tap your own profile picture within that chat. Next, tap on the three dots or lines at the top right corner of your profile window. This will bring up a menu with several options, including Copy Username, Copy User ID, and Apps. From here, select Copy User ID. Once you've copied your user ID, open the Notes app or any text editor on your device. Type the following link, discordapp.com/user/ and paste the user ID you just copied right after it. And that's it. You've successfully created your Discord profile link. Now, whenever you want to share your profile with someone, simply copy that link from your notes and send it to them via chat, email, or any platform of your choice. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.